I'm Kumbi and I'm an Equality and Inclusion Project Lead at Birmingham Community Healthcare Trust. I think for me representation matters, so it was wonderful being approached to talk about inclusion, so to talk about race and gender. I think normally what we do is we talk about it in private spaces, so to actually have a platform to talk about it, to talk about my lived experience, and to also showcase and demonstrate how you could do things, I think one was invaluable. I think, as I said in my presentation, I had imposter syndrome leading up to this, and actually being here just validated the importance and the need for people to stand up and have the conversation. I think it's phenomenal. So whilst in healthcare we do what we do, it's been brilliant to see people from local government here, seeing the innovation and the technology and the way that they're doing things. I think sometimes we tend to be solo in our approach, or siloed I should say, and so coming here to see a group of women opened up the dialogue, and actually what we were doing was sharing ideas, sharing a common place where we all are, and I think what was good to see was that we all want to progress, and in terms of our travel going forwards, we all want to see change, and we've got a role to play. And I think what was very clear and quite evident is that women have a part to play in digital health and tech. And so when you come into a community, I'm calling it a community like this, you go away, you've made the connection. So not only are you here for the 3 days learning about it, but actually you can go away and keep some of those networks and connections, and you can share ideas across agencies. I think it's a nice, safe environment where you can come speak openly both about your successes but also your challenges. It's also good to see how other people are navigating, the areas that they are. In terms of learning about industry, there are lots of developments happening. In the presentations, we got to hear about how the different suppliers use their technology. So I guess it's a space where you get to have awareness, and you can go away and make decisions that hopefully will work for your organizations going forwards. Actually, I don't think there's a model that works better than being in person. And just the phenomenal group of women that I've met, and men as well. And I think that's also what's been quite refreshing, was the men that actually, said, we're going to come to a women's conference, because I think what we've seen are allies, and they're going to go back and hopefully champion, what women are doing in the workplace. So, yeah, so if you're in digital health or tech, wanting to know more, or who's doing what in the industry, this is a good space for it.